Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile live on TikTok. To begin, ensure your TikTok account meets the eligibility criteria for live streaming, which typically requires a minimum of 1,000 followers. Next, you'll need a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent lag during your broadcast. Finally, prepare your mobile device by closing unnecessary background applications to optimize performance for both the game and the stream. Once your account is ready, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Swipe right to find the live option, then look for the mobile gaming template. If you don't see it, ensure your app is updated and your account meets the eligibility requirements, including having at least 1,000 followers. Select Mobile Gaming and grant any requested screen recording permissions to proceed. After enabling the mobile gaming feature, you'll need to select Call of Duty Mobile from the list of available games. Next, create an engaging title for your live stream to attract viewers. Something catchy works best. Before going live, check your audio settings. Ensure your microphone is active for commentary and that game audio is balanced, providing a clear and immersive experience for your audience. With everything set up, tap the Go Live button to begin your Call of Duty Mobile broadcast. Once live, actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions in the chat. This interaction builds community and keeps people watching. Aim for a consistent streaming schedule to help grow your audience and establish your presence as a mobile gaming streamer on TikTok.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.